Go.
David!
Actually, no, I'll stay up here. Hey, we need medic, we need medic. It's up!
Guys, fall back! That's it, fall back! Line into SBJ, I need it. Wait! Rico, on me! On me, vehicle cover! You guys left, watch frontly! Ed!
Look out.
Hit! Hit! You got any other medics on the team?
Hey.
Yeah. You got any bands?
Welcome back, I'm out of bands.
I don't know, but I'm shooting the camera.
Hey, we're gonna put it on. Watch your back. Get back! Get on that rig. Get on that rig. Hit! Right side! Hit!
Yep.
Just pigs. I don't
know.
You got a band?
Nice job.
You know where we are right now?
Hey, do you guys know where CP2 is?
Yeah, the next one up.
Alright.
I have a map right here.
Cover left.
Johnny! Let's go! Move up!
Keep coming. Crossing right in my fire. CP2? It's the oil refiner. Alright, because I have orders that need to get anywhere between here and CP2.
I have to recon.
Left side. Hey, keep moving around. Come on, Greg. Where? Fucking Mossman. Shorting out.
Oh, hi. Okay, start moving up towards these woods. We'll clear these fucks out.
Shit! Oh, hey!